For a blanket stitch, come up at the beginning of the row and make a stitch that's a stitch length away along the line and below the line. Before pulling the needle all the way through, come back up to the line directly above your stitch. Pull the needle catching the loose floss at a 90-degree angle. Start your second stitch in the same way as the first, and continue along the line. To stitch a corner, finish the stitch before the corner, then go in the same stitch as before, come back up at the corner, go back into the same previous stitch, then come up along the next line. You can then continue stitching along the line like normal. To finish a row, make a small anchor stitch on the other side of the loop to hold it in place. The blanket stitch gives a decorative touch to the edge of a shape.